Welcome to our assembly guide for your new hospital bed. This video will walk you through the easy steps to set up your hospital bed. Designed for both practicality and style in medical environments. First, carefully unpack the box and remove all components. Here's a quick overview of what you'll find inside the box. Main frame assembly with 2-section perforated top, 1 number. Crank with handle, 1 number. IV pole, 1 number. Head panel, 1 number. Foot panel, with patient name plate holder, 1 number. Mattress, 2-section, 1 number. Mosquito net pole with hook, 1 set. Mosquito net connecting bar, 1 set. Screw, 1 set. Components of hospital bed. Step 1. Put the corrugated sheet on a floor level, then put the main frame assembly upside down on that sheet. Step 2. Tighten the crank with handle to the crank connecting bracket of the main bed frame with the help of bolts and plain washer provided. Use number 14 spanner. Fix the shaft with the help of safety pin and plain washer provided. Step 3. Put the main frame assembly in upright position and fix the head and foot panel to the main frame assembly. Note: foot panel, with patient name plate holder, should be fitted towards the crank with handle. Step 4. Fix the mosquito net pole into the bush provided on all 4 corners of the main frame assembly. Step 5. Tighten the mosquito net connecting bar on all 4 corners of the mosquito net pole with the help of screws provided. Step 6. Insert the IV pole into the bush provided on the head side and tighten it with the help of bolt and washer. Step 7. Keep the mattress on the hospital bed. Now the hospital bed is ready for use. Thank you for choosing our hospital bed. For additional support or inquiries, please refer to the user manual or contact our customer support team. We're here to assist you.